Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Now, let's cook Ruz Bukhari step by step so you can make this delicious dish at home. Serving and pairing suggestions. Ruz Bukhari is a dish that stands on its own, but the right accompaniments can turn it into a feast. Whether you're sticking to tradition or experimenting with new flavors, here's how to serve it for maximum impact. Traditional accompaniments. Classic side dishes enhance the natural flavors of Ruz Bukhari without overwhelming them. In Middle Eastern households, you'll often find these served alongside the main dish. Yogurt sauce, laban, a cool, tangy contrast to the spiced rice. Mix plain yogurt with minced garlic, cucumber, and a drizzle of olive oil. Tomato and cucumber salad. Chopped tomatoes, cucumbers, and onions with lemon juice and parsley add freshness. Pickles or torshi. Middle Eastern pickled vegetables cut through the richness with their sharp, vinegary bite. Raisins and nuts. Often already in the dish, but extra fried almonds or cashews add crunch. For gatherings, it's common to serve Ruz Bukhari family style, with all sides on the table for everyone to share. Modern twists and variations. If you want to shake things up, try these creative takes on the classic recipe. Vegetarian Ruz Bukhari. Swap chicken for hearty vegetables like eggplant, cauliflower, or chickpeas. Keep the same spice blend for authentic flavor. Fusion versions. Use quinoa instead of rice for a lighter alternative, or add coconut milk for a Southeast Asian twist. Spice adjustments. Experiment with harissa for heat or smoked paprika for deeper smokiness. Pairing beverages is just as important. A chilled glass of mint lemonade balances the spices, while a light Saudi-style black tea with cardamom complements the dish's warmth. If you prefer something richer, try Ayran, a yogurt-based drink popular across the Middle East. The key is to let the dish shine while adding touches that elevate the meal. Whether you go traditional or modern, Ruz Bukhari adapts beautifully. The cultural significance of Ruz Bukhari. Ruz Bukhari isn't just food. It's a dish woven into the fabric of Middle Eastern culture. From weddings to religious holidays, this fragrant rice and chicken dish carries a sense of tradition, warmth, and community. Serving it isn't just about eating, it's about connection. Ruz Bukhari and celebrations. Walk into a Middle Eastern home during a wedding, Eid, or family gathering, and you'll likely find a pot of Ruz Bukhari simmering. This dish is a staple at special occasions, and there's a reason why. Weddings. A feast isn't complete without it. The dish's vibrant colors and rich aroma symbolize abundance and joy. Ramadan and Eid. Families break their fast with Ruz Bukhari, its comforting spices and hearty ingredients replenishing energy after a long day. Family reunions. Large gatherings call for a dish that serves a crowd, making Ruz Bukhari the perfect centerpiece. It's not just about the ingredients. The act of sharing a communal pot reinforces bonds between family and friends. A symbol of hospitality. In Middle Eastern culture, serving food is an act of generosity. Ruz Bukhari takes this idea further. It's a dish meant to impress. Hosts often prepare it for guests as a sign of respect. The care put into marinating the chicken, layering the rice, and balancing the spices shows thoughtfulness. If someone serves you Ruz Bukhari, they're not just feeding you. They're welcoming you. This tradition extends beyond homes. In Saudi Arabia, it's common to see the dish at gatherings where strangers quickly become friends over shared meals. In Uzbek communities, the dish retains its Silk Road roots, symbolizing unity across cultures. Generosity is built into every step. The golden raisins, fried nuts, and fragrant spices aren't just for taste, they're a visual and aromatic invitation to sit, eat, and stay a while. Ruz Bukhari is more than just a meal. It's a dish where history, spice, and tradition come together in every bite. The golden rice, tender chicken, and layers of fragrance make it unforgettable, whether you're serving it at a celebration or just craving something warm and satisfying. Give it a try in your own kitchen. The recipe is straightforward, but the results feel special. Once you taste the balance of sweet raisins, toasted nuts, and spiced chicken, you'll understand why this dish has been loved for generations. Share it with friends or family, and you'll see why Ruz Bukhari isn't just food. It's a way to connect, to celebrate, and to savor the flavors of the Middle East. Ready to cook? The pot is waiting. Whether you're reading this video or watching it, happy cooking. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.